This is the replacement motor mount for the Dart XL, sent to me by Ralph Partipilo from Wisconsin. Brilliantly 3D printed. These are fantastic. Thanks so much, Ralph. So I'm just going to fit it on the Dart XL now. What I was using was this horrible piece of plywood, so this is a much nicer solution. So there we are, that's hot glued in now. That is brilliant.
Thrust angle's good. Having to hold a fair bit of back elevator, so maybe my centre of gravity is too far forward, or I just need some back trim. It's a bit better. Would benefit from some up elevator on a switch for launch. All these darts take a bit to launch, but they're beautifully smooth once they're in the air. Still rolling. Now we're steady. You can back it right off once you're up in the air. So this works well, Ralph. This is a ripper. Thanks so much for doing those 3D printed parts for me. This is cool. Makes me want to get a 3D printer. It's full throttle and it's rising a little bit, but not much. Back off and glide. So it does have some down thrust in the motor mount, the way I've got it glued in. Very nice.
582.